Modern enterprise operations are scattered. Critical daily tasks require jumping between isolated systems like HR platforms, IT service desks, CRMs, and complex ERPs, leaving the workforce collapsing under the weight of disorganized data. This creates the swivel chair problem. Instead of doing high-value work, employees burn valuable hours acting as manual bridges, copying data from one system, pivoting, and pasting it into another, just to keep operations moving. Legacy if this, then that automation was supposed to eliminate this manual labor. But those rigid scripts break the moment they encounter an exception, a missing field, or a workflow that requires evaluating context. Real-world business operations are rarely linear. Because traditional automation cannot handle ambiguity, it constantly kicks errors back to the very human employees it was supposed to help. Generative AI has conditioned us to expect static linguistic outputs, systems that type back after a prompt. Agentic AI represents a structural shift towards systems that execute autonomous actions. An agentic system uses foundation models as reasoning engines. It actively perceives the environment, determines logical paths, and takes action across systems autonomously. Once deployed, these agents run in the background 24/7, interpreting goals and syncing information across multiple apps automatically, keeping teams aligned. Effectively leveraging this technology requires moving beyond simple chat interfaces. Businesses must precisely identify where these agents fit within their broader operational workforce. The audit begins with step 1, scanning for friction. We map where employees spend disproportionate time on repetitive cross-system tasks, the glue work that requires jumping between multi-step checklists. Routine IT provisioning is a prime target. The agentic systems automatically diagnose a technical issue from conversations, securely reset credentials, and enforce role-based permissions across cloud services without manual intervention. Next, step 2, evaluating autonomy potential. We analyze if these steps are guided by clear policies or if they rely on subjective judgment. When a workflow operates within strictly defined guardrails, the AI can interpret the requirements and map the path to resolution. Workflows requiring complex empathy or nuanced context remain firmly in human hands. Structurally rigid, rules-driven processes are delegated to the agent. Curious, but even a perfectly logical workflow fails if we skip step 3, assessing data integration readiness. For an AI agent to execute tasks, it must see your environment, requiring seamless, secure access to systems of record, from HR to finance. If your data is siloed, wildly inconsistent, or lacks functional integration points, the agent flies blind. The nature of an AI agent's operational capability matches the quality of the data infrastructure it operates within. Clean consolidation and API access are required prerequisites. Handing operational control to an autonomous system introduces valid security and reliability concerns. High-stakes enterprise workflows manage this risk through the human-in-the-loop design pattern. In this model, the AI processes data and generates a recommendation. However, a qualified human retains final authority, actively approving or correcting the output before execution. This oversight is crucial because AI systems can still produce hallucinations or errors. By integrating these human-in-the-loop checks, particularly in high-stakes areas like document extraction, 76% of enterprises are achieving a 99.9% accuracy rate. The nature of enterprise work changes. The human steps back from manual execution and steps up into a role of strategic oversight. When deployed through this 3-step filter, Agentic AI operates as a digital team member, capable of reasoning through goals and modifying the state of the business environment. Organizations implementing these systems have reduced average response times by 30%, resolving issues before they compound into major bottlenecks. For small and mid-scale businesses, this removes the pressure of constantly scaling human support teams to match growing operational demands. You gain the capacity to process massive enterprise-level transaction volume while maintaining an agile, highly focused core team. Designing the event-driven architectures and complex APIs required to safely deploy these agents takes specialized engineering. Crizzen utilizes a proven 4D AI framework: define, design, develop, and deploy, to securely embed next-generation agentic products directly into your existing business environment. Rather than guessing where automation fits, Crizzen conducts a deep audit of your technology landscape, modernizes your architecture, and ensures your workflows are structurally prepared for AI integration. Click the link below to connect with the Crizzen team. Stop manually maintaining legacy systems and start building a reasoning workforce for the future.